Hey everyone, what's up? Here's the site from GarageDoorMarketingPros.co, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do on-page SEO for a garage door repair business. First of all, before we dive into the video, I just wanna give you a note that if in case you're looking for a garage door marketing agency that actually cares about you and that actually knows this industry, feel free to book a call with me using the link given in the comment section and also the description. So now let's get into the video. So let me just click on this button and let's just start this. Okay, so before we move into why do you actually need to do and you need to focus on page SEO is, let's just discuss that. Okay, so the reason for that is you are gonna get far more leads once once your GMB profile and once your website is ranked at the top of Google, instead of if you're not focusing on that. Okay, and I do mean a lot. Okay, I have a lot of garage door clients who are actually seeing this thing. They regret why they didn't start SEO back then, when they started the business. So this is the reason why you want to focus on page SEO and all overall SEO stuff. Okay, so now let's look into exact step and exact path how you can do on page SEO for a garage door website. Okay, now let's start. The very first thing is keywords in the first 100 words. See, ensure that your target keywords are present within the first 100 words of your web page content. This helps search engines quickly identify the topic of your web page. So with keywords, I mean terms like garage or repair in XYZ city. For instance, let's say you're in Richmond Hill, Canada. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're having garage or repair Richmond Hill, within the first 100 words of their content. Okay, I'm gonna actually give you a live overview of what exactly I mean, but let's just kind of continue with this. Okay, the next one is real images with alt text. See, I've been seeing a lot of businesses are just using stock photos, especially in our industry. I don't recommend this at all, and I do mean at all. Okay, in no case I would suggest you to use a stock image. Okay, use genuine images relevant to your content and add descriptive alternative text to them. Alternative text helps search engines understand the context of the image. So let's say if if there's an image of a technician, make sure that you write alt text as something like a technician kind of installing a garage door in XYZ city, whatever city you're actually doing. You can also hyper localize this. For instance, installing a garage repair in garage door installation by a technician in XYZ road or something along that line. Make sense? The next one is keywords in H2 and H3. H2 refers to heading 2, H3 refers to heading 3. So there are mainly three kind of headings that we refer in SEO. First, H1. H1 is the heading one. It refers to the main heading of the entire web page. Okay, the next one is H2. H2 refers to the heading 2. Again, kind of a breakdown of that web page into several headings. H3 kind of breakdown of content within H2. Makes sense? So you want to incorporate your target keywords in the H2, H3 headings of your content or all that. Let's see how exactly I mean that. Okay, so this is a web page. Okay, if you see, just a sec, let's just click on analyze on page, and if you're wondering what exact Chrome extension I'm using, it's SEO Minion. Okay, so if you see we are having title as garage repair installation in Richmond Hill, then here's the phone number. Okay, so you see this is actually meta title. So meta title is the title that actually shows in the Google. Okay, so when you search for something, this is exactly what people will be seeing on Google for your website. Okay, this is meta description. I was gonna talk about that in the later part of the video as well, because we want to incorporate our keywords into this as well. Okay, but for now let's see H1, H2 and all those things. Okay, so if you see, we are having Richmond Hill garage repair installation and sales service as H1. Okay, so if you see Richmond Hill garage repair, this is our main keywords. See that? Okay, next, why trust topic service group for garage repair in Richmond Hill. Again, we are having our main keyword in here. Okay, about topic service group, Richmond Hill garage company. Again, okay, Richmond Hill door services, garage emergency repair, looking for garage installation and all those terms. Make sense? Now let's look into the other part of the video. Okay, so we actually talked about keywords in the first 100 section, sorry, for first 100 words and all. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So if you see, we are having garage door repair in Richmond Hill just in the initial paragraph. That's what I mean. Okay, now now it should make sense to you. The next one is alternative text. So each images contains an alternative text. If you're in WordPress, this is really easy to add this. Just ask your developer, or if you want to do this yourself, just just go into WordPress, and when you're uploading this image, there will be a section of alternative text. That make sure you are adding a descriptive alternative text. Now let's see the other points. So link to inner service pages. Again, you will have several inner pages, for instance, garage or opener repair, and those are sort of breakdown of service into other inner pages, right? So we want to create hyperlinks that lead to other relevant service pages within your website. This helps in distributing page authority and guiding visitors to important pages. So let's say you get a link to your home page and you're linking to the inner pages, so the power of that link is gonna carry over to the other inner pages as well, because you are linking to those pages from the home page, which is getting the link. Make sense? So for instance, if we get into this website, we are having this section: garage or emergency repair, opener repair, new garage or installation, garage or cable replacement. And when you click each of them, they will link to they will redirect to a new inner service page. Make sense? Now let's see the other points. Map embed of your GMB. So embed the map of your Google My Business listing on your website. This can enhance local SEO and provide visitors with a visual representation of your business location. I'm going to show you what I exactly mean by this. So yeah, let me exactly show you. So if you just scroll down, you will see something like this. Okay, so this is pretty easy to achieve. Just just go on maps.google.com, for instance. Let's just open this one, and yeah, just a second. Just go on Google Maps and search for your business, and then just click on share, and just go on embed a map and just copy this HTML and paste it in your website. Okay, and you will have something like this. This not only helps visitors to exactly click on reviews and all those stuff, but also helps your website to increase the relevancy, and actually create some sort of connection between your website and your GMB. Okay, so it's super important. I would highly suggest you to do so. Yeah, so this was all about the on-page SEO for garage repair website. And again, if you wanna if you're looking for any garage repair marketing SEO agency, feel free to book a call with me using the link given in the description and comment section, and we'll exactly talk how we can help you get more clients. Okay, bye bye, and feel free to comment below how you like the video and if you have any questions. Bye bye.